Hi, I'm Fuzzy. Welcome to my channel Learn with Fuzzy. In this video, we are going to learn numbers in Hindi language. So let's begin. The first one is 1 in Hindi, ek. 2 in Hindi, do. 3 in Hindi, teen. 4 in Hindi, char. 5 in Hindi, पाँच. 6 in Hindi, छः. 7 in Hindi, सात. 8 in Hindi, आठ. 9 in Hindi, नौ. 10 in Hindi, दस. 11 in Hindi, ग्यारह. 12 in Hindi, बारह. 13 in Hindi, तेरह. 14 in Hindi, चौदह. 15 in Hindi, पंद्रह. 16 in Hindi, सोलह. 17 in Hindi, सत्रह. 18 in Hindi, अठारह. 19 in Hindi, उन्नीस. 20 in Hindi, बीस. 21 in Hindi, इक्कीस. 22 in Hindi, बाईस. 23 in Hindi, तेईस. 24 in Hindi, चौबीस. 25 in Hindi, पच्चीस. 26 in Hindi, छब्बीस. 27 in Hindi, सत्ताईस. 28 in Hindi, अट्ठाईस. 29 in Hindi, उनतीस. 30 in Hindi, तीस. If you want to learn further numbers from 31 to 100, then open Facebook. Click on search bar and search @learn with Fuzzy. Search it. As you can see, this is the official Facebook page of our YouTube channel. Click on it. Scroll down and go to post. As you can see, here is the post, learn numbers in Hindi. Click on it. Click on the picture. Click on three dots. As you can see, here is the option of save to phone. You can download these pictures and learn the numbers. Thanks for watching this video. Please share it to the people who want to learn Hindi. See you soon in the next video.